Hey there, privacy warriors! Are you tired of your personal information being sold to data brokers without your consent? In today's digital age, your data is more valuable than ever, and not in a good way. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. In this video, we'll dive into how Incogni can help you reclaim your privacy and remove your personal data from the internet. Plus, stick around to the end for some exclusive promo codes that can save you big. Groupon Incogni is a subscription-based service developed by Surfshark, the same folks behind the popular VPN. Launched in 2021, Incogni is designed to help users exercise their right to have their personal information deleted from data brokers and other companies that may store such data. The service acts as a privacy proxy, sending data removal requests to a wide range of data brokers on behalf of its users. Its main purpose is to delete personal information, such as email addresses, names, addresses, and phone numbers from the databases of such brokers. The service is fully automated, requiring little to no interaction from users after the initial setup. As of April 2025, Incogni covered about 200 data brokers. Now let's talk about the savings. Promo codes by summer. Use this code to unlock 55% off your annual subscription. Studentfallerum 5. Students can enjoy a 55% discount on the annual plan. Extra 10, get an additional 10% off on your order. 60 off, grab a massive 60% off on all plans. Labor Day 50. Celebrate Labor Day with a 50% discount on the annual plan. Applying these promo codes is simple. Just visit Incogni's website, select your desired plan, and enter the code at checkout. The discount will be applied automatically. No need to worry about manual coupon entries. Ready to take control of your online privacy? Click the link in the description below to get started with Incogni and enjoy these exclusive discounts. Don't wait. Your personal data is valuable, and it's time to protect it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more privacy tips and tech reviews. Remember, your data is yours to control. Take action today. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep your data private and your digital footprint minimal.